Looking for real, honest work in the heart of Australia's farming industry? You're in the right place. Welcome back to Dayagri, your #1 source for the latest agricultural job opportunities across Australia. Today's opportunity is big, up to 50 farm workers needed urgently in Glossodia, New South Wales. Our client, Connect Group, is hiring now, and they're looking for hardworking, physically fit, and reliable individuals ready to take on a variety of tasks on the farm. Your duties will include planting, pruning, harvesting, sorting, bunching, and packing fresh vegetables, both in the field and in the packing shed. This job requires commitment. You must be available to start from April and be ready to work a minimum of 5 days per week, with weekend work likely. The season runs for approximately 9 months, so reliability and flexibility are a must. You'll start early, between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m., depending on the crop and weather conditions. Most of the work is outdoors, so be ready for the cold, heat, dirt, and everything in between. You'll be standing, bending, and lifting for long periods, so physical fitness is key. If you're someone who enjoys working outdoors or leads an active lifestyle, this role could be a perfect fit. You'll be paid under the Modern Horticultural Award 2020 hourly rate. You'll also need to follow safety and quality guidelines at all times. A valid driver's license and your own transport are required since public transport is limited during early hours. You'll be working as part of a team, so being a good team player is a big plus. Think you've got what it takes? Great! Here's how to apply. Checkmark. Fill out the application form at this link. Quote the job ID 23393022158 when prompted. Submit your resume, cover letter with availability and postcode, and 2 referees. Applications close at 5 PM AEST on the 15th of May, 2025, so don't wait. His is a fantastic opportunity to earn, learn, and work in one of Australia's thriving agricultural hubs. If this job's not quite right for you, or you want to explore more options, visit our website to discover more jobs just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Dayagri for weekly updates on farming jobs and opportunities across Australia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.